All right, work as a team.
Ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3.
That wasn't so tough, was it? Just have 1 million more to go.
Vamos trazer essas pedras que estão ali muito para aqui, que eu juro.
He's saying that we need to put more blocks over there because it's too low.
Faites attention. Clouez-le.
What's our length? 67 3/4.
I got 3 inches here.
It's 4 centimeters.
Break time.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
কাটা দিয়ে কাটবে না তো গ্রাইন্ডার আছে
না হলে এটা বসবে না
গ্রাইন্ডিং মেশিন নাই ম্যাডাম
Which side is up?
Those 2 1-gallons I just set there are primer.
Big rock coming through. Watch out.
Anybody need water?
Hey Joe, can you just check that's level again now? Better? Yeah. Wicked.
It's like butter.
C'est fromage.
Finissimo. We finished the baseboards in the back room.
One more row to go.
This is the last one. All right.
Hey, awesome work, everybody.
I need everybody's help in getting the tools back to this point.
So we've got a beautiful house that we made some great progress on today. So thank you so much for coming out.
We thank everybody that's involved. There's no way, any way, shape, or form that I can repay you. But being next to me, side by side, working with me, it's really appreciated very much.